Well, the newly launched 302R is in town, and you can see the two black and white colors here. As you can see, this look absolutely stunning in the flesh, and the sound and the build quality is something upper class, elegant and stylish. The Benelli 302R has taken a long time to hit showrooms. Delayed by the ongoing BS4 emission norms and the company decision to introduce it with ABS. Benelli has now officially launched its 302R. The bike gets the Benelli TNT 300i 300cc liquid-cooled parallel twin motor that makes 38 PS at the rate 11,500 rpm and 26.5 Nm at the rate 9,000 rpm. It gets a 6-speed gearbox. The front brake types are hydraulic double disc. The front brake size is 77 square centimeter. The rear brake type is hydraulic single disc, which is 31.20 square centimeter. It consists of partly digital and partly analog meter. The bike gets a wheelbase of 1410 mm. It also gets a ground clearance of 150 mm. Well, the bike is also on a heavier side with having a curb weight of 198 kg. The front suspension is given by inverted telescopic forks and the rear suspension is given by hydraulic mono shock absorber. Well, the bike gets the front tire size of 110 by 70 R and rear tire size of 150 by 60 R. All this package come under 3,48,000 ex showroom price. The bike keys were presented to the first buyer of the bike by the showroom manager and the owner. And I will thank Talk Super Bikes DSK BENELLI showroom Moti Nagar for such an amazing hospitality. Subscribe to my channel for first ride review of the bike.